Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is for version 191. It's a new option for the tools, and yeah, I show you. So here is version 191, and here in the settings, interface settings, you find here a new slider for the rows. So it looks like this. Here's your tool menu, and here you see such a red bar at the bottom. And now you can scroll with your finger through the tools, and you can change here the rows. Maybe you want only 5 rows. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest is hidden. So when you scroll, yeah, it's maybe if you want to save space on your screen here. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.